What a way to start my vlog. I am stuck. I put a clip why I'm stuck here in front of my mom's face while she eats. I can't get my key out of my door, so I've had to pour my breakdown cover. I've tried everything. I've tried to yank it, I've tried to put some oil, I've tried WD-40. It's not working, and I'm in the car park and we have to pay for every hour that we're here. And we've been here from 9:46. It is now past 12. And the RAC has said that they come in 13 minutes past 1. But my parking here finishes 12 minutes past 1. So I'm gonna have to probably pay for another hour because I don't know how long it's gonna take to get there. I'm at the garage, guys, and I think they could fit me in today. So once that was done, I headed to London. First time driving on the motorway. Wow, that was an experience. I had a helicopter date with my partner, so now I can drive. We had to do rock, paper, scissors to see who was going to drive, and he lost, so he was driving, and I was enjoying being a passenger princess once again. So we arrived at the Stoke Medway airfield. The weather wasn't great, but nonetheless we still had fun, and it was a really great experience. So once we finished the helicopter ride, we headed back to London, and I decided that I want to go to the drive-thru. So this is literally like my first time going into a drive-thru. I know it seems a bit weird, but it was one of my things that I was like, you know what, I need to do when I pass my exam. So going to the drive-thru for the first time. And yeah, McDonald's is where we're going to get because it's the closest one. So let's go. We're at McDonald's.
You get anything else?
I'm not getting anything else. I'm just getting chips. Hi, can I please have medium fries?
Yeah.
And a strawberry? Is it strawberry milkshake, please?
Sorry, we don't have any milkshake.
You don't want anything frap?
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Sure,
Thank you. Next window. Well, that felt good. Okay. Hi, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, now we're going home. You stop. I'm joking. Okay, we've done it now. Yay! We're going back on YouTube, sis.
Oh, hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hello. You missed us.
We're back.
We're back.
Go back to YouTube.
We're back in London town.
We're in London,
we're
in the city of the Queens.
No, the King.
So today we're going to do Shambolizer.
So we headed to the Michael Dapaah's Belly Moscow Shambolizer Gymshark event, and it was such a great time. My goodness, it was so good. Like, it was hilarious. I wish I could put in loads more clips, but yeah, it would just be too long. But it was so good. I think he's uploading the video soon if he hasn't done it already, but definitely check it out if you do come across it, because it was actually such a great time.
We want something.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So the next day I met up with my friends Elizabeth and Asha, and Elizabeth hosted us.
Thank you guys for coming through. Taking a picture of your food is it's almost kind of it's like a prayer because you're taking it to remember it and like be thankful for the that's so sweet.
Honestly, going to London is so busy for me because I always try to see everyone that I haven't seen in a while. So this was the next day. I met up with my friend Lucy and we headed to Shoreditch, and it's just really good to see black businesses thriving. So definitely, if you want to check out Healthfulness, Sincerely Nude, and SYD bags as well. Also check out Lucy's page. She's on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. She has a podcast. Definitely go check her out, guys. I'll put her link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching my vlog in London. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.